Hello everyone, I'm very excited to share with you a newer heel from the Alfani line. If you're looking for a pair of hot and sexy, catch your eye heels that won't hurt your precious toes, please go ahead and click the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss the next review. We'll be reviewing the Alfani Jeules padded insole pointed toe pumps with a 3-inch heel in hot pink. I must note that I'm not being paid or sponsored to review. My initial concerns before making an impulse purchase for this beautiful pair of heels was, would they be able to live up to their beauty and brilliance? Would they truly be worth the nearly $70 price tag? Would they be any better quality than comparable lower price point toe heels? The only way to find out was for me to ring them up at the register and take them home and get to wearing them. I'm sure you can't wait to hear all about these heels, right? Let's get to it. Packaging. The first thing I noticed was the heels were in a plain black and white box with the manufacturer's logo on top. And when I opened the box, each shoe was individually wrapped in tissue paper and had shoe form holders, which was nice. So kudos to the manufacturer there. There were not any replacement heel taps in the box, nor any care instructions included, let alone a dust bag. At this price point, none of these things were expected. No worries there. Just wanted to mention it. Quality. With regard to quality and construction, the Jeules heels are of a good quality and made to last several years. Overall, the machine stitching, both inner and outer heel wise, are done with care. There were no loose threads or skip stitches, as was expected. The sole was definitely securely affixed to the uppers, which is nice. You don't want to see that separation or gapping at the time of purchase, so I was pleased with that. Craftsmanship. Upon first glance, the heels are crafted and designed for comfort, fit, and style for a broad range of foot types, which is definitely rare for heels. The leather was stretched and molded carefully to prevent any gapping or snag. The only concern I have is related to the point of the toe. As a couple handfuls of wears, the toes are starting to show some signs of wear. Perhaps a thicker front insole or outer sole area, maybe a longer sole, could have helped minimize the wear. No big deal there. They have shoe polish and other stuff for things like that. Thought I should mention it for you. Fit. When I tried these heels on, they did fit straight out of the box. No kidding. They did blister the back of my ankle, as the heel of the inner back is a little bit higher than the heels that I'm accustomed to wearing. I didn't really have any issue with it. After a few days, my heel was fine. Durability. The number one question I ask each and every time I embark upon a new heel purchase is, how long will they last? These heels are durable enough and can be used during just about any season, and include a man-made sole with markings that give the added traction and stability that you would need for all types of climate. The step-in flex sole is designed for flexible support, cushioning, and comfort, and makes the heels very durable. You don't have many heels where you can actually bend them the way that I can these, which makes for a more comfortable stride. Style. The hot pink color is superb with jeans and a t-shirt, or you can wear them to travel in, maybe on your date night, fun with the girls, and so many more places. I love wearing the Jeules heels with a little black dress or even yellow tops to give them that pop of color that I usually tend to lack. The style of the shoes is very easygoing, which makes them the perfect go-to heels for all day wear and enjoyment. Coolness. From a coolness perspective, they are cool because they come in so many different colors and materials, but also the fact that they are good quality heels without spending a fortune. The color is bright but not obnoxious, making the heels the whenever, wherever heels you've been searching for. Versatility. With these heels, they truly can be worn to a limitless number of places. They are a low enough heel that you can wear them shopping, for a date, to the movies, to work, dancing, just for fun, anywhere else you may want to go, with ease. Comfort. The Jeules heels are not only comfortable, but they are also flexible, arch supporting, and a pleasure to wear. The cushioning make you feel like you're walking on tiny pillows all day long. Yeah, it sounds cliche, but it's true. The heels have an amazing sewn inner sole with internal padding. If you like to have pain-free strides, these may be your option. Value. The Jeules heels are a great buy for their retail price of $69.50 on average, and can be found online on sale for as low as $24.99, at least at the time of this video. Definitely a great value price-wise based on the retail price, though you'll have to take the other factors into consideration when making your decision. In summary, the Alfani Jeules pumps are surely not a boring work pump. The fact that the manufacturer was thoughtful and mindful enough to include additional total foot cushioning for added support and comfort on a 3-inch heel is impressive enough. Seriously though, the heels not only come in medium widths, but also in wide width. Yes, I said it. They actually come off the shelf in wide width. The Jeules heels come in approximately 11 different colors in suede, satin, and leather uppers, and range in sizes from 5 medium to 9.5. If you enjoy a well-made pair of heels that don't pinch your feet, you may want to look into these. Here's my heel review scores. Now let's get to it. Packaging, a 5 because they came in a plain black and white box. Style, a 5 because they are just a basic style. There's no fun embellishments or anything like that. Quality, I gave the heels a 6. Coolness, a 7 because the colors alone make them a pretty cool pair of heels. Craftsmanship, a 6. While the heels are very well made and will likely last several years, I do have concerns about the coloring of the leather coming off already, as well as some of the wear on the heel tabs. Versatility, a 7. The shoes can be worn just about anywhere. Fit, a 7. As I said earlier, they fit out of the box, but they do some blistering to your feet, so that might be an area for manufacturing improvement. Comfort, an 8, because these heels definitely are comfortable no matter what you're doing, where you're going. You'll have pillows under your toes. Durability, a 6. And finally, value, an 8, taking into consideration all of the above, for a total score of 65 out of 100 points. Thanks again for joining me today to review the Alfani Jeules heels in hot pink. If you want a pump that is actually comfortable and comes in vibrant colors, these heels are for you. I've included a link below of where you can purchase them. If you enjoyed tuning into my heel review and would like to see more, please go ahead and click the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss the next review. If there is a pair of heels you'd love to learn more about, please comment below and I may just take a look at them. Until next time.